So hi everyone, my name's Brien. I work for Sygnature Discovery and I'm the group lead for separation science. So Sygnature Discovery are a contract research organisation, and I can reel off the numbers and tell you that we've got 56 compounds in preclinical and the clinical space. We're also named inventors on 225 patents. But actually the bottom line is we're a company of humans and individuals, and also our main role really, we're here to facilitate decision making for our clients. And by working together, we tend to get to the aim goal a lot quicker. So I joined Sygnature in 2019, and I joined here to build a centralised function for purification and to support a large department growing now of 175 chemists and upwards. So we support the chemistry department primarily, and the workflow fits with the design, make, test cycle. So we're on fast turnaround, efficient work where we're looking to provide chemists with pure compounds every week of the year. So we support the chemists with achiral purification and chiral purification, mainly by SFC. We run some ad hoc assays for the chemistry department, and we also work very closely with our colleagues on the other side of the Atlantic in Canada. So the benefits of having an in-house purification department is that we're on site with our chemists. So any issues we can discuss with them face to face, and also shorten down the delivery time to them. With our colleagues in Canada, we're able to take the molecules from very small scale, from small milligrams up to kilo scale within our Canadian site. I think with any purification group and the variety of chemistry that we work on, there's always challenges, whether that's complexity of molecule or scale that we work on. I think the key bit is for us that we never have to say no to our client base. So routinely we'd be looking to purify achiral compounds to 95%, but there are extreme examples where you hit 98 or even 99.5 for some of our clients. Chirally, you're always aiming at 95 EE, and this is for mainly primary testing within the DMPK group that we have on site here. So we've worked with Teledyne for a long time. Within the chemistry department, they have a lot of combi flash systems, but for us, we've recently bought into the Teledyne ACCQPrep. For us, it's the small footprint and the ability to do everything you need on that one single system. It's very user-friendly, and for us, that's a big selling point when it comes to training. We do work with other instrument manufacturers as well, but for us, Teledyne are a good company to work with. I think one of the benefits of working with Teledyne is that they're a very flexible company. They listen to our needs, they're very open to new ideas, and also their service support is excellent within the UK. That for us is one of the main drivers for working with Teledyne.
Yeah, hi, my name's Jayde McLellan and I work at Sygnature Discovery. I've been here for 6 years and I'm a medicinal chemist. Sygnature were one of the fastest growing CROs in the country when I applied in 2019, and both myself and my partner were looking for a job here, and it seemed like the perfect place to come and build a career and a life. As a CRO, our job can be very varied and we can work with a lot of different types of clients and companies, but ultimately our main goal is to get drugs to the clinic. And in order to get drugs to the clinic, we want to make the best decisions possible for our clients. In order to make the best decisions possible, we need high quality, great data. In order to do that, we need to make sure we've got high quality compounds. And obviously, in order to do that, we need the highest purity possible, which is where purification is such a massive part of our jobs. The challenges with that can sometimes be that as a medicinal chemist, I can't always get the highest purity possible on my own. And so we need the specialist expertise of our analytical services team. That's where the Teledyne equipment comes in for our day-to-day use in order for intermediates and final compounds, and then for the larger scale analytical services. In terms of working with Teledyne, I find the user face the most friendly out of all of the equipment that we can use, and it means it's really easy to train new people on it. When I first started at Sygnature, I'd never used a combi flash before. I was used to manual columns and PhD life, so this was life-changing for me. I think that's quite easy to say for most chemists if they've never used this before. And having a really nice interface is really beneficial for that, because it means you can get straight up and running, hit the ground, and you don't have to spend lots of time training. It's just very straightforward. In terms of using the equipment, we can use them for mainly normal phase, but they can be adapted very easily to use them for reverse phase. So we have full capabilities depending on the purification that we need. And obviously size, we can range from milligram to gram scale very easily.